first on my voice, but that's okay. Because Jesus is good and he's going to take care of it. I felt called to talk to you today. Y'all are my home church, been my home church for a very long time. You've welcomed my family with open arms. We've been blessed by y'all in one way or another. And I just want to encourage y'all. We have a huge foothold in this community, and we need to utilize that. We have the capability to reach so many souls for Christ. Bring them in, engage them in worship. So I just encourage y'all, for me, I'm so thankful for God's grace. I'm so thankful. And it took a long time for me to realize that it's not about me. It's not even about this church. It's not. It's about loving people and loving God. Because if we do that, then there's not going to be a seat in this house. We're going to have to go and expand and have a service out in the parking lot. Because everybody is jumping and shouting and just get excited about Jesus. That's what we need to do. We need to get excited about Jesus. Because do you understand, we don't deserve anything. The one thing we do deserve is hell. We don't deserve to sit here on Sunday morning, suit and tie and this red thing. and just, almost put on a front kind of thing, like we're holier than thou kind of thing. I've done it. I've done it for so many years. And everybody's like, oh, you're a good little church boy. And inside, I am so dark and sinful. So I encourage you next time that you come into the church house, or even everyday life, you wake up and you thank God that as dirty as you are, that you can come to this church, you can pray to Him, you can sing songs of worship to Him, and you have a place in heaven. Is that not a great thing?
That's right.
Amen. So, thank y'all so much. I don't know if y'all seen, but I've been tearing up because y'all have responded so well, and it's just a blessing to know that people care about us, about my family, and we just want to bless you with this last song, and we'll say goodbye. Thank you for allowing us to come here.